Hi everybody. So this is a new journal for my work colleague Sue, who is retiring on Wednesday this week. So I thought I'd get this videoed to show you before I hand it to her. So I've made a little dust bag. It's a little bit on the big side, but you know, doesn't matter. And here is the journal. So my usual format, I've got photographer's mount board for the actual cover, the spine and the little nameplate. I've covered the nameplate with glossy accents. Got book corners, I've used wallpaper, got a nice spine covering which is quite tactile. Some little charms, got a little owl, a little butterfly, some beads, a little handmade with love, a little paw print and a flower. And I've got her name there, Sue. Okay, so this is the first time I've used a digital kit, or three actually, and I'll tell you who they're by as we get to them. So I've got This Book Belongs to Sue Davis. I've got a little magnetic opening pocket there with my usual little spiel in. You can see my other journals if you want to know what that says. Got some paper clips, some nice vellum, Tim Holtz. Got some really nice little rub-offs from Amazon. I can't remember who they're by. So this is one of the first digital kits, and this was the Cat's Whiskers by Happiness in Crafting on Etsy, and that was £4.80 for the digital download. So Sue's quite, she's got a couple of cats, she loves cats. A little bit of stamping throughout, stenciling. Stamping. This is another one. This is an Artie Mays. I bought a couple from Artie Mays. I bought Beautiful Birds add-on and Nature Walk. So that's Artie Mays on Etsy. Some journaling cards. Some little paper clips, little envelope. All the little envelopes have either got a mini journaling card in them or some scrap paper. So this is a company that we work for, Joseph Ash Galvanisers, and that's just our little promise card. So I just sort of stick that in there. Little paper bag there for photos. A little bit of sewing throughout. Another journal card. Sewing on that. All my centre signatures have all got little love hearts on the end there. I normally do, I've done this slightly differently. I normally do an envelope to cover all my sewing, but I thought I'd, you know, do something different this time. So again, little rub-offs there from Amazon. This is a Cat's Whisker tag. This was the Artie Mays bird add-on. Let's get little stamps and envelopes. It's quite cute. Life was meant for a great adventure. Artie Mays tag. And on the backs of these, I just printed off, she's included in the digital kit with some pages. So I just printed those off to put on the backs of those. It's nice little glassine bags here, which I've run through a texture plate on my Sizzix. Everything has beauty. This is avocado dyed paper that I got from a girl on Etsy. I can't remember her name. I did go back to see if she had any more, but she hasn't. Another tag there that I made, just some fabric, a little bit of sari silk and a rub off on the back, and that's been made out of one of the file folders that we use at work. So again, a little bit of a nod to work. There's a little message inside there for Sue from me. This this is from Artie Mays. Again, so is this beautiful envelope. And that's got a journaling card inside it from the same kit, I believe. I've just rounded the corners off and inked it up. Same as that. Got just journaling card inside it. Another little bag for photographs. Live, create, tell the story. This is Tim Holtz die cuts. This was a genuine vintage envelope that I picked up from a second-hand shop down in Margate. This is from the Nature Walk kit from Artie Mays. Sorry, I keep moving the tripod. It's a little flip up. She says, oh God. Okay, got a little rub off in there. More little journaling cards. Be awesome today. With some little rub offs on. They're really pretty, these. You can do anything, but not everything. Another little flip up. Nothing in that one. Little journaling card. This was created using my jelly plate. This was an Etsy purchase. I can't remember who that was from. Some vintage bird pages. These are cat's whiskers again, this one, and the bird add-on had some other little ephemera bits in it as well. This was created using a serviette sandwiched in between some laminate. I bought a matte laminate. There's a whole video on it on YouTube. Oh God, I can't remember the girl's name. What was it? Positively Papercraft. She's got some awesome ideas for laminate. She does hers with gloss, but I thought they would look quite cool with a matte laminate page or pocket. So she shows you how to do it, and I thought it'd just make an awesome tag. I've got a bigger one as well coming up. I'll show you. A little tag, journaling cards. This I got from a video I watched on YouTube. It was hidden paper clips. And the person was Treasure Books. She's got some awesome videos on YouTube. I'll try and remember to link these if I can work out how to do it. Another journaling card. She's done hidden paper clips and little envelopes and things. Really good. This was done using my jelly print as well. This was a Tim Holtz vellum. That was the Artie Mays Nature Walk. Lovely kit. But I discovered a little bit too late. I'll show you in a minute, in a few pages. I bought some matte photo paper, and oh my god, what a difference that makes printing on. It comes with lots of little pockets and bookmarks and tags and journaling cards. Throw kindness around like confetti. Why not? Be thankful. Some little ephemera in here as well. I won't open it up because they're a sod to get back done up again. Another Cat's Whiskers one. Let's say, find joy in the ordinary. Just a little journaling card. Beauty. That was one of the rub-offs. This is another one of the serviettes done in a laminate. They make great pockets as well. Another journaling card. Bit of Tim Holtz there. Little flip up. A little bit of sewing around there. Another tag. A bit of stamping. Journaling spot. Artie Mays tuck spot. The purr is from the what's it called? Cat's Whiskers from Happiness in Crafting. Just a ribbon threaded through there. Stamping. This was Treasure Books tutorial as well. This was just made out of a A4 window envelope, and this is a serviette. It's got a little tag in there. Great tutorial. She's got some great videos. You ought to go and check her out. I think she's brilliant. Treasure Books on YouTube. Another little journaling card. It's just a little notebook that I made. Pops in there. So this was printed using matte photo paper, and I just think it makes such a massive difference. So clear, crisp. So this kit was called Library Book Ephemera, and it's by Calico Collage. Calico Collage, and that's on Etsy. But it comes out so clear, lovely. They're just, I've made little journaling spots out of these. Really, I don't know if you can see just how clear that is. I was really impressed with that. So she's quite an avid reader as well. So this is why I've got the Library Ephemera. Just came out with little tickets. I think they all came out really nicely. Reading lists. Just little decorations on the corners. Beautiful, really nice kit. Highly recommend that. And that was Calico Collage. So many books, so little time. Another little journaling card. It's a Pussycat one. Book lover. Footprint. So this is one of the hidden paper clips that I learnt to do with Treasure Books. Live your dream with passion. Another hidden book paper clip. You can decorate both sides and you can't see the paper clip either side, and it just sort of fits over the page. And that is that. Sue's journal. Hope she likes it. Please leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to know about where I got things or how I made them. Let me know below in the comments and give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.